Alright, what we got here is a 2010 Porsche Panamera S. The customer says she came home, took the key out. Next time she got in the car, this is what it does. You stick the key in there, it just pops out. It won't stay in the ignition, and it won't turn. It's locked. So it won't turn, and it pops right out. So I inspected this key here. I don't see nothing wrong with it physically. It's a little beat up, but I don't see nothing wrong with it. So I'm inspecting this little lock cylinder here. Looks like that depresses all the way. And they got a little deal right here. When you insert the key, this little guy gets pushed down. That looks like it's working like it should. That's getting depressed. And up top, there's a similar deal that's supposed to get pushed up in there. But if you look up in there, I got my phone zip tied to the steering wheel, so you can't really see. But this little piece up top that's supposed to move like this one appears to be broken. It's like this little piece is broken off of it. So it's not getting pushed up when you insert the key. So I fiddled around with it a little bit. Let's see if I can do this here again. I insert the key, get a little pickup in there, and try and push that guy up, and then let's see if I can do this. I don't know if I'll be able to do it twice. There we go. I managed to push that guy up. And now I can turn the key and start the car. So this sucker needs an ignition lock cylinder. I didn't see any videos really about this. Kind of took me a couple minutes to figure out, but that's what's up with this Panamera. It needs a lock cylinder. So something to think about if you experience this.